whatever.
What are we doing?
I don't know. Let's wait till you see this. This is the stupid shit we do on the daily, dude.
Oh yeah, massage the back of my thighs. Whoa!
You made it, dude. Who is it? Fooligan? Fooligan.
Whoa! Are you Joey Mac?
Ride with me.
Bro, I was gonna call you.
Yeah. You said you were at the pumpkin patch. Dude, we partied so hard last night. It was unreal.
My thighs like cramped before we ride, and he was.
Yeah, I'd have loosened them up. It's not that weird.
Nope. Nope. No. Yeah, I'm good. Sorry, bike. Didn't mean to drop you. Everything's good though, I think. That was a rough one. Oh, there's no way you're gonna hit that. Oh, I'm gonna go around it. Yeah.
Listen, you take your back tire right here and then
Yeah. I gotta get it. Oh.
You ran over a butterfly. Oh, dude, they're mating.
Yeah, they're mating.
Oh, sorry.
They're banging. Leave them alone. Oh. That was a failure. Fooligan needs redemption. Oh God. Oh! Two things went wrong here. My exhaust came off and I'm stuck. Oh my God. I just...
Oh my God, dude, my bike was drained off the water. That was a horrible idea.
High five, that was good. It tastes like crap though. Oh yeah, this hill. Are you okay?
No.
Okay, hold on. You just hit any rocks? Are you good? Break anything?
No, just...
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Man, bad time to ask, but...
You wanna ride?
Brian?
Brian?
Brian, let us in.
Let us in, Brian.
Brian, let us in. We wanna ride.
We wanna ride.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, I see someone. Hey, what up? It's Huck.
Ah! Yeah, I made it! Ah! The second gear? Try doing this whole thing in second gear, huh? Did it! Woohoo! Now give me a little tour.
Of the house, yeah.
Yeah, like whatever you got. Cool. Is this your supercross track?
Right here is where practice going to once.
Okay, right this one?
Yeah, this is like a circle one track.
Oh, I got you. Just back and forth. My God. Look at the size of that jump. And he just does it all like it's nothing. Even on a pit bike, he's still hitting some of these. Spencer! There goes your skid plate. More smoke. Yeah, he made it. Oh, nasty. Oh, sick with it. I'm like Axel, I meant to do that. Yeah, he did it. Nice, came up a little short.
I hit it. Exactly what you did is exactly what I knew you were going to do. Everyone does that.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell me that? I told you, I said you're way probably going to case it, then you're going to OJ it.
Oh, my finger. Ah, just nailed my hand on that tree. There we go. Here comes dirt. Fooligan's turn. Oh, I killed it. Woo, that was a good little first run, not gonna lie. I gotta check my finger, dude. Oh look, I'm bleeding through my glove. I killed it! No! If I could somehow get this into neutral here. Oh God. Oh, dude, I hit the whole triple. Oh my God. I'm freaking out right now. I thought I was just gonna die. Nope, I ain't hitting that. Sick whip, dude. Yes. Not this time. You got it. There it is. That was perfect. That trail gets a little thin. Oh, we got a crash. Here.
I'm stuck. Just
You're right, I got you.
Just yank my wheel. Oh.
Were you going up or?
I was going up as he's coming down.
Oh, you hit each other?
Oh, head on.
Oh man. Dang, man. All that dust, you can't really see what's going on. And all right, on the road again. Everyone's all right. Oh! Oh my God! Woohoo! My God. Come on, buddy. Get it. You got it. Oh God. Is he good? Is he good? He's good. Oh. Yeah, we're good. Be all right. We'll put the hot dogs kind of off to the side because they will cook a whole lot quicker. Freaking paradise. Baby. Oh no. Are you all right? Oh man, I'm so sorry. You okay? Yeah. Dude, you're so fast, buddy. It's good. My bad. Oh yeah, I was just making sure. Oh man, I'm glad he's not mad. Oh God. That was almost bad. I was in the wrong gear. Oh. Okay. Joey, you got it? Oh.
Oh my God.
Woo, you all right, buddy?
You're all good.
As long as you're all right, bro. That lip caught your back tire and bumped you. Wow, dude, this is the sketchiest thing I've ever seen. Look at all these people watching us. We just gotta, you gotta bump it more. Oh. Hey, you all right? He said, yeah. Spencer. Styling it out, almost too far. Here's Carl. Oh, yes. He's got it down now. Whoa. That was close. No, you're good. You're clear. I'll start watching. Need that rear brake. I know, dude, we attracted the park so fast whenever we started hitting this thing, because it's like the hardest, probably like one of the hardest jumps. That was sick, dude. Whoa, spins. Okay, hijack it. Okay. Oh, there's no key in it. Oh, man. Woo! There we go. I had to jump off the track on that one. Oh my God, he way overdid that. It's so slow, he makes it look easy. I really want to try it, but I just don't want to fall to my broken legs. Gonna have to. Hey! No! Oh, dude! What happened? Dude, that hurt.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
And it's Easter Sunday. The Lord is alive, and it is a good day to celebrate that and appreciate His creation.
Yeah, little buddy.
Connected.